Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning intro background in After Effects using Trapcode Mir. It's simple, effective, and perfect for adding a professional touch to your projects. So let's jump right in. First, I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30, and duration 10 seconds, and I'll name it Main. Then hit OK. Now, select the rectangle tool. As you can see, we have options for fill and stroke. Click on fill and set it to solid color. For stroke, set it to none, as we don't need an outline for this shape. And now add your first triangle shape. Now go to anchor point and press Ctrl and double click to put the anchor point into the middle of our shape. Choose your color. Go to shape layer and press Ctrl D to copy. Now press P for position and increase Y position like this. Now also change this color. Repeat this step a few more times to complete the design. I'm going to repeat the same steps multiple times, duplicating the rectangle, moving it to a new position, and giving each one a random size to avoid uniformity. Now create a new solid, and I'll name it Fractal Noise. Go to Effects and Presets, and type Fractal Noise. Drag and drop on Fractal Noise layer. Change contrast to 200. And brightness to 20. Also, open Transform and uncheck Uniform Scaling. Change Scale Width to 10,000 and Scale Height to 15. Go to Fractal Noise Solid and set Normal to Multiply. I don't want the white background to be visible in my scene. So I'm going to add a new solid layer, set its color to black, and make sure it covers the entire composition to eliminate the white background. Select them all and right-click, Pre-Compose, and I'll name it Colors. Then hit OK. Uncheck Color Layers. Now go to Layer and add the new solid. Name it Mir, then hit OK. Go to Effect and Trapcode Mir. Open Texture and set None to Colors. Go to Geometry, set linked to individual, increase size X and Y. Create a new camera and hit OK. Go to Orbit Camera tool and see. Now we have a 3D shape. Again, go to Mir. Decrease, rotate Z. Open Fractal. Change amplitude to 150. Open individual frequency and change frequency X to 2. Now it's time to bring this to life with a bit of animation. Let's go ahead and add that. Go to Offset X and press Alt and click. Then go here and type time asterisk 500. And see. Let's play around with the position and scale settings to shape things just right. Okay, this is good for me. Now I'm going to switch to my camera and add some finishing touches using the Orbit Camera, Track Z and Track XY tools. Okay, now I'll go to F-bend X and I'll change it to -0.02, and also I'll change F-bend Y to -0.04. As you can see on the screen, the shape is now curved. Once again, I'll use the Orbit Camera, Track Z and Track XY tools to adjust the shape, as you can see on the scene. Now I'll create a new solid and I'll name it background. Then I'll go to Effect, Generate and Gradient Ramp. Change the colors. Last thing, go to Layer and add a new adjustment layer. Then go to Effect, Color and add a curve. Now add a curve on RGB like this and also another one in this side. Yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.